Hi everyone, Caroline here. So today I just wanted to talk about something that I know has been happening for a lot of people who are now finally coming out of the old where they never used to share information about themselves and coming into this new now and trying to share the new information that they have with other people because they feel the pull within them to do so, or people like myself who are transitioning from maybe focusing on a specific spiritual subject and now engaging ourselves with a new thing that is coming forward, which is to be fully ourselves and to fully embrace who we are and to fully bring forward every information that spirit is guiding us to bring forward, because we are wise beings and wise beings have a range. You know what I mean? We are not limited. So I've noticed something that a lot of people want to come forward, or some of the people that I know, they want to come forward and share this information, but they are so afraid. You know what I mean? There's that fear. And I just want to acknowledge that it's really uncomfortable to try something new. It's really uncomfortable to put yourself out there and share things that you might know is true for you, but might not be true for others. And especially if you know there are things that can make an impact in someone else's life. It's not easy. It's not easy being in front of the camera. It's not even easy to put this information together and kind of share it, because there's so many things that, go through your head. I know some people are experts at these things and they're professionals at this thing and they put it out there whenever they can and however they can, and they really don't care. But for some of us, there's truly always still that fear that comes with trying to present yourself out there in the world. It's not an easy thing. And I totally understand this, but we still got to do it. You know what I mean? We got to share this thing because spirit urges us to share these things, and there's more information that keeps coming. And, sometimes you don't want to get backlogged, especially if you know that your higher purpose is to be here as someone who shares information. You know what I mean? There are certain people who are not here to share information, but if you're someone who's supposed to teach something, which everyone can teach something if they want to, there's so many people here with different kinds of callings, yeah? But if your higher calling is to share information, which in truth, if you truly examine it, a lot of people who are here to share the light are here to share information. And sometimes it's just not through these mediums of social media, but maybe just by the excellence of your own light, the excellence of your own life. You know what I mean? You have to embody that thing and be that thing, and then other people can see because you're speaking for yourself. So you don't even have to be on mediums like this to share that information. But we're truly all here to share the light. So what I wanted to say is that it is always going to be uncomfortable. Nothing is comfortable. And especially these days of social media, where everybody is expecting people to be looking at your content, or you're expecting eyeballs on your content, a lot of people get discouraged because they think that, okay, if I'm sharing this thing and no one is watching, what am I going to do? So they don't want to share just because of that reason, because they think it's being determined by the algorithm. You don't understand that we are the algorithm, and those few people that come to watch your content, or even if there are many people, they're the people who are like the seed, and this seed grows. You know what I mean? This seed expands. This seed will multiply. So it's just not a matter of bringing a lot of people to watch your content. It's also about that one individual seed that watches your content, and because of that seed, many other seeds are planted elsewhere. So don't be discouraged by things like that. Believe me, I know how it feels, but we gotta keep going. We gotta keep doing this thing. We gotta be persistent in putting our voices out there, because other voices are also putting their voices out there. Some of those voices are based on the old inverted matrix, which is crumbling. So we gotta do our part and keep our voices out there. Don't doubt yourself. Doubt can come, and I tell you, it does come. Sometimes you share information and then you start doubting it, and you start doubting whether you really should have done that thing, or whether you really had the right thing, or things like that, or whether that was the right thing to share. Sometimes there's always that voice that tries to undercut everything, but we have to ignore that voice and keep doing what we gotta do. And we got to do it on time. We got to do it when the moment calls for it. Because sometimes when you postpone something, even if you wanted to do it, just by postponing that thing, the thing sometimes ends up not being done because you procrastinated, you delayed, the doubt came up and ate your seed up, so you're no longer able to deliver the goodies. You know what I mean? So we got to act on it as well. And please remember that we are here for a reason. We can no longer hide. And even though it's scary, we have to bring forward the mission of our souls. And sometimes just by speaking up, that alone is sufficient enough to draw the person who has been waiting for that information into your space. Don't look at the external algorithm, look at your own personal, internal, powerful algorithm. And that algorithm is going to bring the people to you. Okay, let's do the work. Let's do the work, people. I love you. Bye.